Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify theme from backup and preview step by step clearly. To restore a Shopify theme from backup, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the online store section located in the left-hand menu. Click on Themes to open the theme management area. Locate the theme you wish to restore from the list of installed themes. Click on the Actions button next to your desired theme. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. This will take you to the theme code editor. To access the theme backups, look for the Actions button again within the theme editor. Select Download Theme File to create a backup of your current theme if you haven't already. Now, find the Theme Settings area. Look for the option labeled Backup or Older Versions. Click on it to view all available backups of the selected theme. Review the list of backup versions, noting the dates and changes. Select the backup you wish to restore. Confirm your choice to revert to the selected backup version. Once the restoration is complete, envision how the theme will appear. To view the changes, return to the Themes section. Click Preview on the theme to see how it looks after restoration. Check all pages and functionalities to ensure everything is working smoothly. If necessary, make any additional adjustments within the theme editor. After reviewing, your Shopify theme is now restored and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.